If you run with me, you gotta work for the both of us.
They talk without sound, shaping stories in the air. I tried to look away, it's not polite to stare. But never had I seen for hands hovering like butterflies. Never had I seen two people listening with just their eyes. From pinky tip to sharpie thumb, my two strong hands at once feel dumb. I wish something I knew I shouldn't. I can hear, I wish I couldn't.
Body is a language. Music has no language. I can enjoy your tongue. Glasses have no language. I can understand their intention. Touches have no language. I can feel their meanings. Not the same tongue, so we are. No less do we communicate.
Loving our language. Why should I ever want my poems to convey their messages in clear and unmistakable terms, obeying all accepted rules of grammar, syntax, idioms, spelling, and punctuation? The answer nowadays seem often to be simply, no, I don't see, since poetry is now a liberal art. My friends, be thankful for this beautiful language we may call our own, and that we should respect enough to learn ways and rules and practice them in poetry.
Родной очаг, за все прости меня, за то, что о корнях я забываю. Все получила от твоего огня, но ничего в ответ не возвращаю. В степь ухожу, там на исходе дня, своих всем предков я не называю. И ничего о них почти не знаю, но в сумерках спешу на храп коня. Здесь мой аул, могила здесь отца, начало здесь, и нет ему конца. И этот путь продолжен будет мной. Встречать людей, стихи дарить и жить судьбой, народу своему служить. Благословляет степь, иди, сын мой.
What we speak, read and write are possible by language to convey message, information and ideas to all others. Mother tongue is first language I'll learn and learn. Also language for communication and doing all works. Language means to express ourselves to the world in letters, essays, novels and poetry of literature, not only for present people but also for posterity, and it's a great invasion of mankind to the world.
Language of love. The language of love is not taught in our schools. Its grammar and lexis too hard to complex its rules. For the average people to master, it cannot be taken at a level, still less at GCE. Nor can it be studied until one obtains a degree, French, history, geography, math.